For this style of call point, the test key needs to be inserted in the bottom left-hand corner. Fully insert the test key so that the glass drops down as shown. If the call point has an LED, this will illuminate. Once this is completed, the fire alarm will sound as it will be in full evacuation mode. Remove the test key, making sure that the glass returns to its original position. You can now silence and reset the main panel. Once the panel is reset, the red LED light will go out. If the glass is still dropped down, reinsert the test key and remove until the glass is in the correct position. Remember to log your testing. You should test a different call point each week.